Okay, so I came to check out the cliffs at Emerald Park. Almost didn't come here because online it says it closes 30 minutes after sunset, but all the signs on the park says closes at 8, so I'm hoping that's right, but there's no gate, so I guess they can't stop me. This is Emerald Park, and we're looking for some of the best sunset spots in the city. The wildest thing about this park is how sudden the drop off. You're just kind of walking on a wide paved path and you can come up to the edge of this quarry here. It is a long way down into the Big Rock Quarry, and all this was dug out to build roads and other things here in Little Rock. Oh yeah. Trail's getting tough and I love it. That's the beautiful sunset we were looking for. is it. Into the trail. All right, heading back up. That was tough. It's still tough. Feel it in my calves, and I know you hear me huffing and puffing. Alright, I waited around, and this is the transition I was waiting for. Most people leave right at sunset, or they just stay on the main trail. But if you hang around for, I don't know, 20 more minutes or so, you have the river, the downtown skyline, and you can see the bridges that run across the river. It's definitely one of these strange feelings where you can see the city right there, lighting up the sky like stars, but being in the woods. Okay, looks like we made the right call. This turned out to be a low risk, high reward trail. Walked a little over 3 miles. It's got its easy part on the paved part. You can also get off trail, like you know I love to, and scramble around those cliffs. Overall, great adventure. It's also proving the point you can't always trust what you see online. So it said the gate would close, but we had plenty of time. Turned out to be an amazing trip. Thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.